Hello viewers, today we will learn how to make a drop-down list by using data validation, which is automatically update when I add item on the list, that is here. So that we need to go in formula tab, name manager, new. We need to create a name range whose name will be fruit, and I use here offset and counta formula. Offset formula, that is reference means from the starting point of the list, starting point b2. Okay, next row number 0, column number 0, and the height will be the b column. So I used here a counta formula, counta, that is $b is to $b bracket close, and weight is single column, as a single column, that is 1. Okay, bracket close. Now okay, name manager is created a name range, that is this column, this area. When you update this list, this area will be automatically updated. So I go to I want to create a drop down list here. So select here and go to data tab and then data validation. Select here list, click on the search and press F3. You will see the name range from name manager. Click select and click OK. Okay. Drop down list has been created. You can see here banana, mango. Now I add on the add item on this list, papaya, orange. Now click here, it is updated automatically. So thanks for watching this video.